wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. And this is Anshul Shah here, and you all must be wondering that why am I in front of the camera rather than being on the back like I am in most of my videos. So let me tell you that actually the topic that I have chosen for today's video is a bit sensitive, and many of the parents have been asking me to make a video on this topic, and so here I am today. So the topic is how to raise a happy and an independent child. So before we start up the video, you can see a subscribe button here somewhere down the screen. Go and hit on it, and also on the bell icon to never miss an update. So let us get back on the topic, how to raise a happy and an independent child. I will be giving you some of the points one on one. So let's get started. So the first point is appreciation. Appreciate them enough for all the good things that they are doing in a day, and rather than like scolding them every now and then कि तूने ये क्यों कर दिया, तुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, या इस तरीके से नहीं होता है. No, that is not the thing. Appreciation actually plays a very important role in molding your child's personality. You can also use some of the phrases like you are so good today, you were amazing. Like अगर उसने अपने toys एक जगह से उठा के सब कुछ व्यवस्थित रख दिया है, तो you can say कि wow, you have done a great job. Start clapping for them. If your kid is small and he paints something, so tell them कि like wow, this is such a wonderful painting, and appreciate them for all the small things that they do in a day. Also, if your child is a little bit big, तो आप उससे बोल सकते हैं एक स्क्रैप बुक बनाने के लिए एंड टाइटल इट ऑल अबाउट मी, एंड उसमें आप उसके टैलेंट मतलब पॉइंट्स जो आपको डालने हैं उसमें शुड बी लाइक टैलेंट्स अबाउट मी, 5 थिंग्स दैट आई हैव डन टुडे टू मेक माय मम हैप्पी, या व्हाई एम आई अमेजिंग, एंड सच पॉइंट्स. सो अप्रिशिएट देम. Second point is build a close connection with them. I mean, loving our child is something that we all do as a parent. However, it is actually really important to express your love towards your child. Sometimes the parents are so busy with the work in their hands that they forget to express their love towards their children and how much they love it. However, expressing your emotions and telling your children that you are always there for them makes an unbreakable bond between the two of you. I'm talking about the thing that जब हम छोटे बच्चे होते थे तो parents, हम एक ऊपर surface पे होते तो parents would say that yes, you can jump. So we actually used to jump from the surface thinking that because of the trust between the parent and the child. So I'm talking about that thing. So the third point is make it easy for your child to communicate with you. So make sure that there is a two-sided conversation when you are speaking to your child, and that they are allowed to have their own opinions also, because you don't want your child to be exactly like you. Your child have some different personality and you have some different one. You should not be always telling them like what is the right thing to be done all the time. And for this thing, what you can do is, as a kid, as a toddler, when your child is small, give them your full attention. And this means that whenever they are talking to you, keep aside all your work and all your electronic gadgets and listen to them. And this thing will help your child to be more communicative, I believe. So the fourth point is give them some space. See, it is really important to spend some time with your child, but also it is super important that you give them their own space and allow them to do things on their own. And this encourages creativity and independence in decision making. Children who are allowed to make choices are likely to become more disciplined and focused, and are more likely to become a wiser decision maker in future. So the fifth point is really important, and it is allow them some space to fall. See, it is important that we don't have to force our children every time to be good at everything, and instead we should be telling them that it is okay to fail and learn from our failures. And the worst thing is by making a mistake that you compare your child to a predetermined benchmark in your head, like उसके 90% आए थे तो तेरे भी 90% आने चाहिए, तूने इतनी मेहनत नहीं की, तूने क्यों इतनी मेहनत नहीं की. So these things should not be there. So basically what I mean to say is focus on the process and not on the end result. Parents जो सोचते हैं कि नहीं achievement वाला ही thing उनके mind में चलता है कि नहीं उसे हर चीज़ में उसको 100% आना चाहिए, they end up bringing up their child with psychological disorders and ends up in risky behavior that is done by the child. So children who are more desired in focusing on the process ends up achieving greater in their lives. So the sixth point is show them how to cope up with the negative feelings, and emotional health of a child is paramount. Oftentimes the child comes around such feelings like negative feelings like envy, anger, and during the different growing processes of their lives, what you need to do is tell them that having this type of feelings is absolutely normal, and you make them to understand these feelings and help them in coping up. by doing this you actually help them, you know, to maintain their inner peace and mental strength. So this is really important that you actually teach them how to cope up with negative feelings. The seventh point is teach your child to forgive. Forgiveness is actually the key element that leads to happiness of your child. Unforgiveness leads to depression and anxiety, you know, and children who are able to forgive are actually turning the negative feelings into the positive ones and are living a satisfied life and a happy life. And that's what I want to say is be a role model for your child. I mean, children learn by copying you only, and teach them to not hold grudges for anyone and forgive. So guys, this is my video for today. I have given 7 important points about how to raise a happy and an independent child. And अगर आपके contact में कोई parent है जिसके साथ आप ये video share कर सकते हैं तो please share it. And once again I'm telling you, please like this video, share this video as much as you can, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.